What if I told you there's a free open source SQL practice website and it's even better than LeetCode for beginners, I guess? What you gonna do? This video will understand that how this website works and what types of problem you can face. So further any delay, let's start the video. So this is the actual website you can see, and if you really need this link of the website, you can check out my description. So let's start the first question. So the first question is, find all the employees who work in department ID 2 and have a salary greater than 60,000. Okay, so here I use where clause. Okay, and there are the two conditions. So that's why for that I'll use and. Okay, so it's kind of easy problem. So let's solve. Okay, I've solved this. Nice. Next question. Find all the employees who work in department ID 1 or department ID 3. And here I will use or clause. Okay. Yep, this is a easy question. So let's quick fix this question. Okay, this question is correct. And now the next question is, select employees who work in departments 1, 2, or 3 using in operators. Okay, so simple. In that case, I'll use in operator. Yeah, I have solved this. Now the next question. The next problem is, select employees who do not work in departments 1 or 2 using the not in operator. Okay, so simple. Previously I use in operator and now I'll use not in. I mean in not operator. Okay, so let's start. Now it's also correct. Now the next question is, find all employees who have a null commission PCT, and let's try. Here I have to use null operator. Okay, so let's see. Yep, it's work. Let's try the next question. The another question is, find all employees who have a commission PCT. Okay, and it will be not null. So simple. In that case, I have to use not null. Yeah, we got that. It's correct. Let's try the next question. Find all employees whose first name starts with capital J using the like operator. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's a good question. And in that case, I have to use wildcard. Okay, wildcard. So let's see how we can implement wildcards. Okay, it's correct. Let's try to solve the next problem. Find all employees whose email contains myth using the like operator with wildcards. Okay, in that case, I also have to use the wildcard operator. So let's start. Let's try the next question. Get a list of unique department IDs from the employees table. Okay, in that case, I have to use distinct. Okay, so let's see how we can implement this distinct.
Okay, now the next question. Select all employees ordered by salary in ascending order. Okay, in that case, we can definitely understand that what we have to use. In that case, we have to use order by and in ascending form. You guys know that ascending. If I have to convert the order into ascending form, in that case, I don't need to use ascending keyword. Okay, so let's see how we can implement this ascending. Yup, that's correct. Next, try the next problem. Select all employees ordered by hire date in descending order. Okay, so in that case, definitely we have to use ordered by, and after that, we have to use the keyword which is descending. Okay, we know that previously we don't need to the ascending keyword, but for the descending we have to use the descending keyword. Okay, DSC. Now move to the next question. Select all employees order by department ID ascending and then by salary descending. Okay, so this is multiple columns order by problem. Okay, so it's simple, but we have to separate each and everything. Okay, so first of all, we have to add um, ascending form, which is department ID, and then we have to add the salary in descending form. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. Finally, it's correct. Now move to the next question. Select the first employees from the select the first 5 employees from the employee table. Okay, so in that case we have to use limit. Yeah, it's normal, we have to use limit and it's very easy to use. Let's see. Gotcha. This is correct. Now let's move to the next question. Select 5 employees starting from the 6th row, skip first 5 rows. Okay, so in that case we have to use offset. Previously we use limit and there we have to use limit and offset. Okay, so let's see how we can use this. Okay, the last problem of this video is count. Okay, so count the total number of employees in the employees table. Yeah, it's easy, I know. Here I have to use count function. So let's start. Okay, it's done, I guess, and we'll see the next video tomorrow, and there I will try to solve the medium level question, and after that I will try hard question. Okay, goodbye and have a great time.